Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Roblox controls bigger. So let's start. First open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down. Then tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on display zoom. It is set to standard as default. You have to select zoomed and then tap on set on top right corner. When you tap on set, your screen will be turned off and you have to turn it back on by tapping on the power button. And then you will notice that everything is zoomed in a little bit. Now close the settings app and open the Roblox app. And you will see that everything is zoomed in. And if you start playing a game, you will see the controls are also bigger now. And that's how you can make Roblox controls bigger. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.